Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to solve systems using elimination. All right. And solving by elimination is a little bit different. All right. When you first compare it to solving by substitution, slightly different. So let's say we have a system. All right. I'm just testing my pen out right there. So negative x, and I've got g's and f's right there, but you know what? Let me use that. So let's say negative g minus f equals 6. And our second one is 5g, all right, minus 7f equals 66, all right? So the first thing that I want you to notice about this system is that this time we've got a system where both of these guys are in standard form. All right, standard form, remember, that's when you have both variables on one side and a constant on the right side. So this is not in slope-intercept form. I don't have a variable that's by itself to where I could take its expression and substitute it into another one. I can't do that here. All right, so what I'm going to use is a process called elimination. All right, and elimination works simple, all right? The reason it's called elimination is because what you're going to do is you're going to eliminate one variable of your choice. You can choose which one you're going to eliminate. So in my case, I see that I would like to eliminate, let's say I wanted to eliminate the variable f. Now, the only way I could eliminate the variable f is if I give the first equation positive 7f's, because the second equation has a negative 7f. So I need a positive 7f in order to have opposite terms. So here I go. I am going to multiply this first equation, the entire equation, by, I need to think, what would I multiply negative f by to get positive 7f? So I'm going to multiply this actually by negative 7. All right, I'm going to multiply everything by negative 7. So here I go. Everything, including the left side and the right side. So negative 7 times negative g would give me positive 7g. Negative 7 times negative f, it's like I'm distributing, right? Negative 7 times negative f would give me positive 7f. And negative 7 times 6 would give me negative 42. All right? That's what I've done to my first equation. My second equation is going to remain intact. I'm not going to do anything to my second equation because I wanted to get 7f's from my first equation. All right, now you can see how I have a 7f in the top equation and a negative 7f in the bottom equation. All right, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to combine these. All right, I'm going to combine these. So what is 7g plus 5g? That is 12g. All right, like how much money I make daily. All right, 12g. And then and then 7f plus negative 7f. You add those and they combine to be 0. So basically what they do is they cancel, all right? Negative 42 plus 66, that is 24. So you end up with a one-step equation. 12 times g equals 24. Well, that's a simple equation for you to solve because you divide both sides by 12 and g is equal to 2, all right? Now at this point, because we need to finish this in 5 minutes, I'm going to take my value for g and I'm going to go back and substitute it. So you never really get away from substitution. I'm going to substitute it into my first equation. So 5g minus 7f equals 66. That's technically my second equation. All right. So replace g with 2 or substitute it. 5 times 2 minus 7f equals 66. In other words, 10 minus 7f equals 66. I'm going to take away 10 from both sides. And let me take away my face right here. All right. Negative 7f equals 56, which makes f equal to, if I divide both sides by negative 7, f should be equal to negative 8. In other words, my final answer in GF format is 2, negative 8. And let's verify. And that answer is indeed correct, 2, negative 8. The end.